children, see, now the given quadratic equation is formula derivation. Formula derivation. So the children, see, the given quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Any doubt, my students? So this is children. Here a is coefficient of x square and b is coefficient of x and c is nothing but a constant here. Get my point here. So here, now let us derive the formula now. Means we need to find the value of x children. Rules are nothing but the value of variables that can satisfy the given quadratic equation here. So that we are finding the value of x children. To find the value of x here children, see, we use here completing square method. Why? Because we can't use splitting method, we can't use elimination, we can't use anything. So children, see, there is only possible of finding root children completing square method. Completing square method means the entire quadratic equation will make as a perfect square, perfect trinomial. Means we will make this entire quadratic equation in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Are you all with me, children? Please kindly let me know. Right, children. Now see, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Got it, children? Now the children see, so to make in this form, children, first see the first term here. What is the first term? This is a square. Nothing but it is perfect square. Got it, children? So first term must be perfect square. What is job? What is our job, children? Our job is to make the entire equation the perfect square. Means make, we need to change into the form of a square plus 2a plus b square here. So that the children, our destination part is a square. Means the entire the first term must be perfect square, children. Got it? So here, but here x is perfect square. Why? Because the square is upon only x, not upon a, children. So a is not a perfect square. So that we need to remove a, children. Now can you tell me how can we remove a here? Wonderful. So we need to divide, children. So children, see, earlier I told you, if I divide a with only ax square, children, then we are completely changing the value of the entire quadratic equation. So we don't have a right to change it. However, we are dividing, children, we need to multiply also. Got it, children? We need to multiply. So the children, see, I am so dividing entire quadratic equation with a. Entire quadratic equation with a. Did you get my point, children? Any doubt? Right, children, now I'm dividing and multiplying. So we can write as children. So ax square. So let us write here. So first let us write divide. Let us take this equation 1. So equation 1 by a. I'm dividing the children. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Means by a and by a. Any doubt? Right. Now, children, see, now this a is the common denominator of these three terms, children. Here, children, all makes a mistake that this a will cancel this one. So, yeah, you are not supposed to do, children. Why? Because a is the common property of these three terms. So, let us distribute here. Now, see, children, ax square by a plus bx by a and plus c by a is equal to 0 by a is nothing but 0. Any doubt, children? You can answer. Does anybody have a doubt here, sir? There is only 1 year. How will you get 3 years? Does anybody have doubts? Yes, wonderful. So now the children see, now we can cancel this a and this a, children. I'm canceling this. A can cancel. Now what do we have, children? X square. Okay. plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. Now, children, we have achieved the first term we got as a perfect square. Did you get my point, children? Any doubt, please kindly let me know these 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think is everything, every step is clear. Every step is clear, children. Now the thing is, children, only we need to do that. We need to get 2ab form and b square form in this one. So the children say to get the 2ab form in middle term. So this middle term I am taking, children. To get the 2ab form, only the thing is what I am doing, children. See, please kindly listen, everyone, children. So I am multiplying. So let us multiply and divide. Multiply and divide the middle term. Multiply and divide the middle term with the 2. Why? Because we need to get 2. Got it, children? So I am multiplying and dividing only the middle term, not entire equation, children. You get my point? So the children see, now let's see. X square and half-stick I am writing plus, here what we have, children, bx by a means as we are dividing and multiplying with 2, children, we get here 2 into b by 2a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. Any doubt, please kindly let me know. See, children, only the thing is, what is the difference of this step and this step here? Only the middle term has been changed and the rest of the things are remain same, children. So here only the thing is the numerator and denominator I multiplied with the 2 and divided with. That's it. Nothing I have done. If you have any doubt, please kindly ask me. Jayant Nayak and Pranil and Bharat Reddy. I'm dividing with 2. Whenever we divide with 2, it goes to denominator, Arsha. Okay? Right. A square x square plus 2 into b by 2a is Rajan now. 5 minutes. So the children x square plus 2b by 2a into x plus c by 2a. So first to make an equation, please kindly say, wait, children, make an equation with 1200 people. 11% of population has been increased. 11 population. The new population decreased by 11%. First to find the 11% of 1200. Find the 11% of 1200. Okay. Now the town now had 32 less people than it did before the 1200 people increase. Okay. So town population of town, let us take as x here. So 1200 people increased. So new population is equal x plus 1200. Now the new population is decreased by 11%.
132
X plus 12 minus of x plus 12 into 11 by 100. 11 by 100. So that is equal to, this completely is equal to what he has done. The before the 1200 increase, 32 less than the it did before the 1200 increase. So x minus 32. That's it. Right, children, sorry, children, for inconvenience. So x square plus 2 into b by 2a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. Now the children, are you all with me, children? Yeah. So this is an equation, children. Now let's see, children. X square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus c by a is equal to 0. Only just x I written here, b by 2. Why? Because, children, see, if you compare this entire equation with a square plus 2ab plus b square, in the place of a, we have x, children, 2, and a. In the place of b, what we have, children? Wonderful. Now, these two terms are completed. Our task means the 80% task completed. Now, the 20% is b square. We need to get the b square. Now, tell me, children, what the value of b here? What we got the value of b here? B by. So, here, children, we need to get b square means b by 2a whole square we get here. And can I write directly plus b by 2a whole square? Wonderful, wonderful. Arshana? Wonderful, Arsha. Very good, Nana. So the children see add and subtract with b by 2a whole square. Children, every step, only the just thing that every step we need to compare with a square plus 2a plus b square. That's it. Your destination is a square plus 2a plus b square. That's it. Got it, children? Now let's see. X square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a is equal to 0. Any doubt, please kindly let me know this step. Everybody. Right, children. Now, let's see, children. Now, let us write this complete equation in our in convenience form, children. So, first of all, these three terms I am taking. Now, x square plus 2ab means 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square. These three times are in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, the children, since a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal a plus b whole square. Got it? Now, what is the value of a, children? X. What is the value of b? Wonderful. B by 2a whole square. And the minus, children, this b by 2a whole square, I am just expanding by multiplying itself by because there is square here, I am expanding square here. So that we get, children, b square by 4a square. Any doubt, please kindly let me know this step. Now plus c by a is equal to 0. Now all this step, Nana. Yeah, see b by 2a into b by 2a. B by 2a whole square means what you get, Nana? B by 2a into b by 2a. Got it? Whole square, there is whole square. That's why I multiplied twice here. So now multiply this b by b into b. Got it? Anybody please kindly let me know, children. Right. What is the difference of this step, children? There are two differences here. That complete the first three terms, as the first three terms are in the form of a square plus 2a plus b square. So that is equal to a plus b whole square, children. So the first three terms I have written in the form of a plus whole square that we got as x plus b by 2a whole square. Is it clear, children? Now again, now the children see b by 2a whole square is it? Then just I expanded the power. Then by multiplying, children, by removing the power, we get here b square by 4a square. And plus c by a as it is I wrote here is equal to 0 also as I wrote here. Okay. Now next, shall I move forward, children? Now x plus b by 2a whole square Now this complete term, let us send that side children. Now by sending that side, this minus becomes plus children. So b square by 4a square, and this plus becomes minus children. Any doubt? Now children. Now please, I think what do you need to do now? That's wonderful and wonderful. Please take screenshot. Now before erasing children, please kindly let me know if you have any doubt in any step. Only the thing is, children, what is the difference of each two steps? That's it. What is the difference of each two steps? That you think over children, you no need of practicing again and again. Now, shall I rub this part? Right, children, now, close the door. Now, children, say x plus b by 2a whole square is equal. Now, just to simplify this, children, 4a square and 4a. Now, tell me, children, what would be the LCM of 4a square by a? It is 4a square only. Got it? I think you got the doubt. How did you get a 4a square here? Very simple, children, with 2a square and a. And again, I am multiplying with a, children. What do you get here with the 2a and a 1 year? And I'm multiplying with the 2 and a comma 1. I'm taking the a 1 1. So children, just multiply this here. 4a square. Got it, children? And one more thing, this all story why this unit is okay. Only the thing is, children, this 4a square is divisible by a. 4a square is a multiple of a. Got it? So whenever children, the LCM of 4a square and a will be the 4a square as it is a multiple of 4a. Okay. Got it? So that's what 4a square I written, children. As there is a 4a square as it is numerator I'm writing here, and minus. Now children, so let us divide this 4a square with a. By dividing 4a square with a, what do you get, my distance? A square get cancelled. What will be the answer? 4a. So we get the 4a, children. This entire 4a you multiply with numerator, children. 4a into c is equal to 4ac. 4ac. Right. Any doubt? No, sir. No, sir. Right, children. Now let's see the squares on that side. Now, Bhavyasri is there. Yes, sir. Now, Bhavyasri, tell me, by sending the square, that's it, what will happen? Sir, can I? Sir, can I? Sir. Huh? It's multiply, sir. So by sending the square, it multiply here. Got it? Pranil, Harsha, Bharat Reddy. Sir, can I? Sir, can I? Sir, can I? Sir, can I? Tell me. Sir, can I? Can I? Tell me, you can. Sir, plus half minus root. Yeah, wonderful, Harsha. Wow. Plus or minus root. Children said, so the children, you have to listen whenever I was explaining. Whenever I'm explaining, please kindly listen, my distance. So that even this step many times I have given, and particularly I've been stressed about this point also. To get my point, plus or minus compulsory, you need to write, children. And many times I stressed out here, but still you don't get. Bhavyasri, kindly listen better. Now plus or minus under root of b square. minus 4ac by 4a square. Now let me know children, any doubt, please kindly let me know. Now children, see x square b x plus b by 2a as it is I'm writing. Now the children plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. It means the square root I am dividing to the distributing the numerator and denominator. Okay, and this denominator, this 4a square, we can write as 2a whole square. Can I write, children?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because 4 can be written as 2 square and a square already there is square. So there is square for 4 and 2 and a. So I have taken the common square for the 2a. Got it, children?
Sir, you not go to B.
Huh?
Sir, B. You did
So right, okay, right. I forgot. Now the children see x plus b by 2a is equal children plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by a square root get cancelled, children. We get the 2a in the denominator. Any doubt? Right. Now the children, you can ask me, sir, here is a square. Can we cancel this square and square root?
No, sir, because it belongs to
Yeah, we can't cancel. Why? Because there is a minus, and also the square root is a common property of b square and 4ac. In products, if it is multiplication symbol, it is possible. But in the possible also, children, we need to distribute the square to the two terms. But whenever there is plus and minus, children, we don't have right to distribute the square to the each and every term. You get my children? Right. So I think I explained in the first chapter. Irrational number under root of a under root of b is not equal to under root of a plus b. Is it? Even 9th class also you have been learned. This is children. Under root of a plus under root of b is not equal to under root of a plus b. Got it? Even minus as under root of a minus under root of b is not equal to under root of a minus b. Okay, so that children we proved also there. Once you can check here, so that we can't distribute the square to the two terms of b square minus 4ac. Got it, my dear students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now let me go forward, children. Now see, now the children see the only thing is just plus b by 2s. And why we are doing all these things, children? Can you tell me? Wonderful, wonderful. Nana. To find the value of x. So the children, only we need left side. Only we need to see the left side. Only x value. Children, x must be alone. So that this b by 2a, I'm sending that side here. Okay. So the children, x let be here and plus b by 2a by sending that side. What does it become, Bhavasri?
Sir, what, sir?
This b by 2a by sending that side, what does it become?
You're asking to send root, sir?
B by 2a. This b by 2a send this side, what does it become?
Sir, can I?
Rupika?
Yes, sir, can I? Sir, can I? Sir, minus b by 2. Sir, Bhagyashree said, sir, she said, sir.
I didn't listen. I think Rupika said, I think.
Yes, sir. We all are talking the same voice, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Bhavasri. Very good, Nana. Minus b by 2a plus or minus as it is this equation I'm writing. B square minus 4ac by 2a. Why Sandana is not making any noise?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Right, children, say x square, x is equal minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 2a. Jayendra Nayak also is not making noise. Right, children. Now let's see. Now by seeing this step, what we can do, children? Tell me. By seeing this step,
sir, we should do minus b by 2a plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b by 2a minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a.
so what you are saying? Let us take the LCM, children. We can take the LCM. Why? Because here there are two symbols plus and minus, but at a time we are doing, children. But we in the mathematics, what is our convenience, children? We can do the same process for plus and minus. So that I am taking LCM. So the denominators are same, children. Then we get the same LCM here. As the denominators are same, I am writing the same numerator, children. As it is, I am writing. Any doubt, please kindly let me know.
No, sir. No,
Now this is x, children. Okay. Now the children, as there is a plus or minus, children. So each and every quadratic equation, as I told you already, there are two roots here, children. So one root will be plus and one root will be minus, children. So that's what we have taken plus or minus here. So the children, let us take as the roots of quadratic equation. Roots of quadratic equation, quadratic. Let us take a alpha comma beta, children. Children, some of the students are writing alpha like this. This is not alpha, children. It is infinitive. They are not supposed to write, children. So this must be open like this. Must be open. Got it?
okay, sir.
Like like a snake tongue. Snake tongue. Snake tongue will be as like this, is it? don't say is. Okay. Now alpha is equal, children. Now I am taking minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And the beta is equal. Beta, you need to pull out its leg, children. Okay. And minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That's it. Did you get the answer, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please kindly take screenshot, children. It's a wonderful problem. I like very much this problem. Okay. Can I rough my board, my dear friends? Exciting, children, the relation between coefficients and roots. So the children, so little bit just fast line going, children. Now the given quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, children. Now let us take as its roots is equal to alpha comma beta. Let roots of quadratic equation 1 be alpha comma beta. Already we have seen, children, alpha is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Children, please kindly prepare this. Okay. Tomorrow I will ask this. Now b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Got it? Now let's find the sum of the roots, children. Therefore, the sum of the roots is equal to, everyone please kindly pay attention towards my screen. Sum of the roots means alpha plus beta. Means just to substitute the alpha comma beta values, children, here. Minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Very good. Now the children see, so we need to add these two terms, but they are the like terms, like fractions, children, because they have the same denominator. So the children, as they are the same denominator, Their LCM would be the same denominator, children. So the LCM will be the 2a. Now that will be taken as the common denominator. Got it, children?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
as there are two denominators same, we can write as it is numerator, children, in the process. So I'm writing here minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac plus, and children here plus is there here, plus minus into plus, we get here minus, children. Minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now see, children, see here. Here, see, children, minus b, both are having the same sign here. We can't cancel them. If you see the root term, children, this root term is the positive term and it is a negative term. So can we cancel them?
Yes, sir.
I'm canceling this. If canceling nothing but we are subtracting, children, nothing but it will be 0. So the children, now let's see. Then what will remain here in the numerator? Only there is minus b and minus b. Minus b and minus b, by adding, what do you get, my students?
Minus 2b by 2.
That's it. Now, can we cancel 2 and 2?
Yes, sir.
Let us cancel 2 and 2. Now that will be is equal to minus b by a. Got it, children? Alpha plus beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So alpha comma beta is equal to minus b by a. What is b, children, here? What is?
Coefficient of
That's wonderful. And what is a here?
constant of the
Constant of x. Yes.
Coefficient of x square.
Yeah, wonderful. Please kindly take screenshot. Now I'm going to say alpha into beta also, children. Please kindly make it fast. Make it fast.
Done, sir.
Right.
Done, sir.
Now let us see alpha into beta, my dear students. So the thing is, I am changing the symbol here. That's it. Okay. Right. So alpha into beta is nothing but, children. Now this is okay. I'm multiplying these two things. The children see here very simple steps I'm going to now. So children see first numerator into numerator means minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac into minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a into 2a. What do you get, children? It is 4a square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now the children see, now if you see, if you observe very carefully, children, the numerator. So the children, minus b, let us take as the first term, and this is second term. What is the symbol between first term and second term, children?
Plus and minus.
Plus, and here minus. So now the children see, you can say the children, are you finding any formula by seeing this? First term plus.
Yes, sir. A plus b of a minus b is equal to a square minus b square.
Wow, super. A plus b of a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So children, we can expect 10 points. Actually, I target only 15, 10 points, 10 points we can see here. So the children see minus b whole square, that is right, a square minus b square, and minus of under root of b square minus 4ac whole square. Any doubt? Now minus b whole square is nothing but, children, it is b square. Why? Because the square of negative term always gives positive. So b square minus into minus gets
The
equal.
root and square the roots can be cancelled, sir.
It's wonderful, children. Now the children see, okay, we are cancelling the root. Here we need to take care of one thing, children. Children, here the entire term within the bracket, but there is a security guard in front of the bracket. Let's see, children. There is a security guard. Who is security guard? So the children see, whenever you are removing the bracket, children, you need to take care of this security guard, children. Got it? So this security guard, we need to distribute to each and every term of the within the bracket, children. You get my point? If there is plus, nothing will happen. If there is plus, nothing will happen, children. Directly you can write as is term, children. But whenever there is minus in front of the bracket, just multiply each and every term within the bracket with the minus symbol. Got it, children? By multiplying each and term within the bracket with the minus, what will happen? Only the signs of the terms will be changed, children. Okay. But if there is plus, children, the signs of the terms within the bracket will be remain same. But as there is a minus, children, the signs of the bracket with the terms within the bracket will be changed, children. If there is a plus, children, it becomes minus. If there is minus, it becomes plus. You get my point? Please kindly let me know.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So the
sir.
children, the b square term is positive. I'm writing here minus b square, and there is a minus. I'm writing plus, children. Now 4ac by 4a square. Please kindly let me know if you have any doubt. Please tell me.
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
Now can I cancel b square and b square, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Now the
sir.
next part I'm writing, children. Now the 4ac by 4a square we got, children, alpha into.
4 is the cancel, sir. C by A. C by
That's it. C by a. What is c, children?
constant.
Yeah, wonderful.
Constant.
What is a? What is a? That's it, children. Please take screenshot. So this formula, children, please write beside this step, children. This step here, beside this step. So since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now I think madam has come. Now, children, now let's see. If you take
It's not
screenshot.
madam, sir. It's sir.
Huh?
It's not madam, sir. It is sir.
Now can I
It's a
clear?
madam.
Can I clear my board?
Yes, sir.